in yesterday's class we have discussed about the how the dog changes its decision. Yesterday we discussed how it changes its decision by finding a stronger animal than another one. First, it would change the we can decision from wolf to bear. Later, bear to now lion. It is. It changed its mind. See, this is what you come to know that how by changing its decision means by the dog, how dog became very near to human being. In initial day only, in beginning only, suddenly it don't have human as its owner. Day by day in forest it changed its owners, means it's a master. At the end it got human as it's a master in this lesson. But before, at the end means right now in present days, how the dog is living with the human, how it is a very pet animal of human, how it became very friendly to human. Before coming to human, it served to so many strong animals of a forest. And why it changed its decision? By looking at one strong animal and by refusing another weaker animal than the stronger. Means by refusing wolf, by looking at bear, by refusing bear, by looking at a lion. That situation has been picturized into this lesson, how the dog found himself a new master. In the last two classes, means in previous classes, we have discussed up to that. Well then, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Like this, said dog to the bear. And later, it goes to lion. Look at the 8th paragraph. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. See, dog initially, means in beginning, he has served to wolf for a few days, and suddenly after finding the bear, it refused wolf and came to bear, and after came to know the truth that bear will scare off the lion, and it left the bear. Only few days, only a few times, in short moment, the dog lived with those weaker animals. When it came to the lion, means it became the servant of lion, who is the king of the forest. It was very happy, and its present days, means after doing service to the or giving service to the lion, it was very happy and it was satisfied, and it has no fear, and no one is teasing at the dog, and no one offending him. No one minded to touch the dog, means other animals like wolf and bear can't touch the dog, because dog is the servant of king of forest, lion is the king. He is servant of uh, that king. And if anybody means like other animals, like other animals, cheetah or wolf or bear, it might have touched, means then they won't be alive. Lion will kill it because they have such a fear, because he is the servant of the king lion. Why we have to touch it? Nobody, means no animal dare to touch the lion. Servant of a lion means dog. That is what they here they mentioned. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, means too long time, as it served to the wolf and bear. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of. Means he don't have comments on a lion that it fears to tiger, it fears to elephant, it fears to cheetah. It has no complaints regarding lion, as like it did to wolf and bear. For there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion. Means on that time where it was very happy, there no one the strongest animal in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog, offend him in any way. No one is ready to tease him, no one is ready to disturb him. To whom? To dog. 9th paragraph. But one day two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran aimed bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such a force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way. The lion said, we had better run for it, or we will be in trouble. See, again got surprised by the words of a lion. Both were going, as in earlier story, how it is going. It was going with a wolf and bear. How it was going? While going, it find on that time a strong animal. That like now it thought in its mind that lion is the strongest animal. No one can't touch the lion, and in that sense, by keeping that kind of things in its mind, it was very happy, and it was in a very proud manner, like no one can't touch us both. Like this, both were going in forest, and when both entered to the some path, there walking side by side along a path that ran aimed bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. They were moving fastly and in some rapid manner. Suddenly lion stopped. Then he gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such a force that a hole formed there. Means you also get scared, no? By seeing someone like, oh my god, oh, like this. That like, that lion also, by getting smell of some human, it was moving rapidly like this. Suddenly it took back its a step, and forcefully it kicked, means a kind of a pressure, putting pressure with its leg to ground, to the land. Forcefully it put leg like this, and there was a small hole by the force of lion. Suppose it is supposed to go or it is supposed to step front. By smelling man suddenly got thundered and took step back and forced like this, where the a small hole founded by lion step. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily. Angrily means, oh, who came here like this? In its mind, lion. We were going to hunt something. We both were going to have some animals for our lunch, for our breakfast, like this. And to eat as a food, we want some animals. We are supposed to go. Somebody came and stopping it like this. It got angry. Oh, somebody came. Some human came. We supposed to go there like this. It felt in its mind. Okay. Then the began to back very quietly, like getting back like this slowly. Suppose if lion is here, slowly like this, still back, getting back means stepping back slowly without doing sound, quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog in surprise. Dog, by seeing all the actions of a lion, which was getting scared of human smell, it took back its step, and by seeing that dog surprised it. And lion replied to the dog question, I smell a man coming this way. I am getting smell some man coming there. Coming this way, the lion said, we better run for it or we will be in trouble. We both should escape from here. A man is on the way. There is a man, he is coming, he is on the path. I am getting smell of him. Better we should run away from here, because if he seen me, we will be in trouble. That is fixed. He decided that like, and he told to, means lion told to dog. Oh well, then I will say goodbye to you. See, look at the foolishness of and the wandering mind and the what we can call no own decisions of God. Dog. No own decisions of dog. If you felt fear, I will leave you. If you got scared of some animal, I will leave you. If you got scared of some human, I will leave you. Means dislike only, it keep on refusing the various animals like wolf, bear and lion. Lastly, it also came to know about the fear of a lion to the human. Lion fear to human, and even it came to know, oh, lion also have fear about the human, so better to say goodbye. That so only it said, oh well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. It said, oh well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. Go, goodbye. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Again said same dialogue to the lion. Then, well done, bye bye, you go. I want the strongest animal on the earth, a strongest master on the earth. Either it is then more than strong you and more than stronger of the human, whoever it may be. If I found somebody is stronger than human, I will leave human also. In such a condition, in such a mindset, it was there. Lion was there, and it say goodbye to. Dog was in such a condition. It say goodbye to lion. Okay. In 10th paragraph, and off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened the long ago, but to this day the dog is man's the most loyal servant and knows no other master. See, what we are having dog in our home, you and I in our home as a pet animal, we are having dog. dog directly didn't come, or it never thought that directly man is the stronger. First it served to wolf, bear, later lion, and even though after serving lion it found a truth that even lion also fear of human. Then why should I live with such a strong animals? If he is strong, I will be with him, and he have no fear of any animals. Means his intention is he don't fear to anyone. Human don't fear to any lion, any tiger, any bear, anything. He have capacity to control them. He have no fear. So I will be loyal to him. So I want to live with the human. This is what its decision. And now writer what he said means, and off the dog went to join the man. He stayed with him and served him faithfully. After this all, he is off the dog went. Off the dog means it is went in the path towards human society. It left the forest and it decided to go to the society where human are living now. Human are living now. I will serve them as servant. I will be obedient to human. It decided and it came to the human. Means now in our society, nearby village, in cities, all over the society, we will find a dog in either it may be in agriculture land, either it may be a rich person's home. We will find a dog. Today what we are having dog, that is the transformation stage of dog. It is the ultimate stage of dog. Before coming to this ultimate stage, before coming to this human society, it served to various animals. Finally it rejected all because of their fairness to someone, and it decided to serve to human. This happened long ago. Means after coming to human, it didn't change its mind that hey, there is somebody stronger than human, I will go to them. No, it didn't say like that. It served human long ago. Means since long time it keep on serving human, and but to this day the dog is most loyal servant and knows no other master. So after deciding like this, it keep on serving since many long time, and still now also it is with human only, and it is very loyal. Means it listen to human, it obeys the order of human. Hey Tommy, go and bring newspaper, it will bring. Tommy, go and bring key of the gate, it will go and bring. Tommy, sit there, don't bite to anyone. Means it will listen to human. Means for so long time it keep on serving to human, and now present also it's with the human only, and that's too very with the loyalty and obedience. That's too with the loyalty and obedience. It is serving man, and nowadays man's most loyal servant and knows no other masters, and it is in one way it is serving to human. Means it is with man, and in its man it's not thinking to be a servant to another one. So finally I got man and he is my master, and now in its mind no one is stronger than human. That's why it finally decided to live with human only, and it is not trying now to find some other master who is stronger than human. So maybe dog didn't find any stronger animal or any other beasts than human. That's why it decided to stay with human. It felt human is very stronger than all animals. That's why it decided to live with human now, and it's serving with its loyalty as a servant. So this is what the lesson is, and today we will stop here. tomorrow we will have a next poem or lesson in next class. And today this lesson ends here. This lesson ends here. We will have question answers of this lesson in coming days.